My Freight Train by Michael Rex. I have a freight train. I drive it all the time. I'm the engineer. It's early in the morning. The cars are loaded and ready to go. I control the train from a cabin in the locomotive. The locomotive is where the engine is, and it pulls all the freight cars. The cars are connected by couplers. The train has lots of wheels and rides on 2 steel tracks. I push the throttle that makes the engine run, and the train pulls out of the freight yard. All the different things that my train carries are called freight. Each car in the train is made to hold something special. Furniture, TVs, and toys travel in the boxcar. The refrigerator car carries things that need to stay cold, like ice cream and bologna. Gravel is carried in the hopper car. The tank car is filled with gasoline. The auto track car is carrying new automobiles. The gondola car is carrying pipes. The piggyback car carries a truck trailer. The flat car is carrying lumber. Cows and chickens travel in the livestock car. All day long, I deliver the freight. That's my job. I have lots of stops to make today, and I have to stay on schedule. At my first stop, the animals are unloaded. They are going to a farm. The cows will make milk, and the chickens will lay eggs. At my second stop, the gravel, the gasoline, and the cars come off the train. The gravel will be used to make roads, the gasoline is for the gas station, and the cars will be sold. I eat lunch on the train because there's no time to waste. Sometimes I stay on the train for days. In the caboose, there's a desk to sit at, lockers for my clothes, and a bed to sleep in. We unload the furniture, TVs, and toys at my third stop. They will go to a department store. The ice cream and bologna are also unloaded. They will go to a supermarket. Finally, at my last stop, the lumber and pipes are unloaded. They will be used to build houses. The trailer comes off too. Inside, the trailer is more freight that will be delivered by a truck. It's late now, and the stars and the moon are out. I would like to drive my freight train all night, but I have to go to sleep and let someone else drive.